So, for the problem today, mayroon tayong isang arbitrary constant pero hindi siya nakahiwalay kaya medyo mahirap pa siyang i-solve. So, ang gawin natin, mas padaliin muna natin. X squared y, lipat natin to sa left side ang 1, magiging negative 1 is equal to cx. Divide both sides by x, makakancel to, tapos magiging x squared y minus 1 equals x is equal to z. Next, gagamitin natin ang quotient rule. Meaning, gagawin natin u yung numerator at v yung denominator. U equals x squared y minus 1. V is equal to x. du is equal to, i-solve natin to kasi kailangan din ng product rule. So, x squared y, u is equal to x squared, v is equal to y. du is equal to 2x, dv is equal to y prime. Cross, ano natin, udv is x squared, y prime. vdu is plus 2xy. So, yan na yan. X squared, y prime, plus 2xy. Since ang negative 1 constant, magiging 0 na lang siya. Next is dv equal to 1. So, using the quotient rule, vdu, x times x squared y prime plus 2xy minus udv, the quantity x squared y minus 1 equal to v squared x squared equal to 0. Since constant ang c, magiging 0 na lang yan. Multiply both sides by x squared. Makakancel to, 0 times x squared is 0. Magiging na lang x times x squared y prime plus 2xy minus x squared y minus 1 is equal to 0. Distribute natin to. Dito, dito. At ito rin, at ito. So, magiging x cubed y prime plus 2x squared y minus x squared y plus 1 is equal to 0. Next natin gagawin ay, mapansin natin na itong dalawa common. Common sila. So, pwede natin silang i-simplify pa. So, magiging na lang x squared 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So, x squared y plus 1 plus x cubed. At alam natin na ang y prime is equal to dy over dx. Ganyan. Tapos, multiply natin both sides by dx. So, magiging ng x cubed dy plus x squared y dx plus dx equal to dx times 0 is 0. So, itong dalawa parehas sila dx. So, pwede natin sila i-combine. Magiging x cubed y plus x squared y plus 1 dx plus x cubed dy equal to 0. So, yan na ang final answer.